Hey, what's up guys? 2020 Toyota Tacoma, doing all the lights in the headlamp assembly. I'm doing the low beam, the high beam. I'll do the blinker and show you where the corner bulb is. So first, the low beam is going to be this guy right here. And he has a connector on him. We're going to disconnect this connector. There's a little tab on the bottom that you pushed with your thumb and then you pull down on the connector. But first you want to turn it and pull the bulb out. So once this is out, we'll take a closer look. And then this is the connector I'm talking about. Just pull this out. And you could pull the connector off while it's in the headlamp housing if you want. But basically, here's our low beam bulb. This is the part number. This is from Toyota. And here it is right here. See, get close up here. It's a H11. Because if you get it aftermarket, they may not have the Toyota part number. So it's a H11 low beam. So when you put this in, I want to put it in like that and then just gently turn it to lock it in place. It should be steady, you shouldn't wiggle or nothing when you're done. And then you could put your connector back on. This should click into place, and it shouldn't be loose or nothing. It should be on there pretty tight after it clicks into place. There's only one way it can go on. Now that was the low beam. Now we're going to do the high beam. Same thing, we could just disconnect the connector using, there's a same thing as the other one. There's just like this little tab on the bottom you push to release the lock, and then you can pull the connector off. Twist this and then you can pull it out very carefully. All right, and this is the H9 bulb. It's a high beam, so it's a brighter bulb. It shines brighter. So go ahead and put our new one in. And what it's going to be is just, you just put it in. These bulbs have those little fingers on them. They're like tabs, and you find out, you kind of get it in there, and then once you feel it drop into place, then you could turn it to lock it. So that's in. Put our connector on for that. All right, got that connected. So you could test them, make sure they work. Here's the corner bulb. Basically, it's over here by the low beam. It's just back further. So you do pretty much the same thing. You just twist it and pull it out, and then you could change the bulb on it. But a little tighter spot, you might want to remove the low beam bulb before you do that. And then here's the blinker. It's on the opposite end of the housing. This one right here is the blinker. Now to get this out, what you would do is just come down, and it's in a pretty open area. Twist it and pull the bulb out. I'll show you what I mean. So you twist the connector here like this, and then you could just pull it out, and then you would remove the bulb from that gray connector and then get a new blinker bulb. The other side has the water reservoir. I'm going to show you what to do with that. So if you were to come on this side, this water reservoir is in your way. You got to take out these two 10mm bolts, and then you could just kind of push this reservoir aside, and then you'll have room to get to all your bulbs. So you just kind of move it to the side like that, and then you'll be able to get down there and do what you got to do, just like this. All right.